Bismillahirrahmanirrahim friends, this is Ahmad Zaman and in this video we will discuss some MCQs that include more calculations. So the very first one is the 100 gram mass having 32 foot per second, then its force is. We need to find force and the mass is given in grams, 100 grams. We must change this into kilograms. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 100 gram will be equal to x. This will become x into 100 gram is equal to 1 kilogram multiplied by 100 gram. So x is equal to 1 kilogram multiplied by 100 gram divided by 1000 gram. So x become 0.1 kg. This is the mass in kilogram. Acceleration is given in foot per second square, so we must change into meter per second square. So 1 foot is equal to 0.305 meter. So x is equal to 32 foot. Now x is equal to 0.305 meter into 32 foot. So x will become 9.8 meter per second square. This is acceleration. This is converted into meter per second square. Now we will find the force. So we know that F is equal to ma. The mass in kilogram is equal to 0.1 kg multiplied by the acceleration is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So the force is equal to 0.98 Newton. This is the correct option. Force is equal to 0.98 Newton. The second one is a ball of mass 5 kg is dropped from a height of 7.84 meter. The time taken to ball to hit the ground is. This is some height, and this is a ball of 5 kg mass, and the height given is 7.84 meter. So how much time is required for the ball to hit the ground? We need to find it. So we will use equation of motion. Equation of motion is equal to VIT plus half AT square. Initial velocity of the ball is 0. The initial velocity of the ball is 0 and s is replaced by height h. So h is equal to ये 0 हो जाएगा plus half, और एक्सेलरेशन जो है ये एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी है, तो ये gt स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. और एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द टाइम. सो t स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम h divided by g. In order to remove this square, we will take the square root. So t is equal to under root 2h divided by g. So now we will put the values in the above formula. So 2 into 7.84, ये जो हाइट हमें दिया गया है ये हम पुट करेंगे. मीटर divided by g is 9.8. So the time required to hit the ground is 4 seconds. The time required for the ball to hit the ground is 4 seconds. Two blocks of masses 1 kg and 3 kg placed in contact are acted upon by a force of 40 Newton. The acceleration of 1 kg will be. We need to find force For the force we have F is equal to ms in Newton's second law. This 1 kg mass is given just only for confusion. We need to find the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to force per meter from this formula. So force is given 40 Newton and the masses of the two are in contact, so we will take their sum. So this formula will become F divided by m1 plus m2, because these two forces are in these two masses are in contact, and that 1 kg mass are just only given for confusion. So we will put the values in this formula. Force is equal to 40 Newton divided by masses are given 1 kg, 1 plus 3. This will become 40 divided by 4. So एक्सेलरेशन जो हमारे पास आ जाएगा वो होगा 10 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. So the correct option is 10 meter per second square acceleration. Question number 4. A car travels a distance s on a straight road in 2 hours and then return to the starting point in next 3 hours. Its average velocity is. This is the starting point for the car. It covers some distance in 2 hours and then return to the same point in 3 hours, and we need to find the average velocity of that car. So we know that the velocity is equal to displacement time rate of change. Displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. The car starts from this point and reach this point and then return to the same point in 3 hours. So the displacement between these 2 points is 0. So now we will put the displacement s is equal to 0 in the above formula. So velocity is equal to 0 by t. Velocity is equal to 0. So the average velocity is also 0 when the car returns to the same starting point. So the correct option is V is equal to 0. Question number 5. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 98 meter per second square. This is a ball thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 98 meter per second square. Meter per second. If it takes 10 seconds to reach the highest point, it takes 10 seconds to reach the highest point. This is the highest point. Then the acceleration of the ball is, we need to find the acceleration of the ball. So for this purpose we will use the equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At, and we know that, and we will find the acceleration. So A is equal to At is equal to Vf minus Vi. Now for the acceleration we will divide the time. So Vf minus Vi divided by t. Now the final velocity of the ball is 0. So we will put the final velocity is equal to 0. This will become acceleration is equal to 0 minus जो 0 माइनस वी आई इनिशियल वेलोसिटी जो है वो हमारे पास है 98 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. सो वी विल पुट हियर 98 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, मीटर पर सेकंड 98 मीटर पर सेकंड डिवाइड बाय टाइम जो है टाइम इज गिवन एज 10 सेकंड. सो द एक्सेलरेशन विल बिकम minus 9.8 meter per second square. Why this minus sign appear here? So the acceleration of the ball is opposite to the ground, and the g value is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square, while here the minus sign appear because it is opposite to the gravitational force. Question number 6. A ball of iron of mass 2 kg is dropped from the top of the building. Ball reaches the ground in 10 seconds. This is the top of the building, and this is an iron mass of 2 kg. Now it dropped from this height. And it take 10 seconds to reach. reach the ground. What is the velocity in meter per second when it strikes the ground? We need to find the velocity. Again we will use the same equation of motion. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. So Vf is equal to, now the initial velocity of the ball is 0. Vi is equal to 0, so we will put Vi is equal to 0 in equation 1. So Vf is equal to 0 plus 80, and Vf is equal to gt. We will replace acceleration by acceleration due to gravity. So now Vf is equal to gt, Vf is equal to gt, and g वैल्यू हमारे पास जो है वो है 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड, एंड टाइम जो है वो हमारे पास है 10 सेकंड. सो Vf इज इक्वल टू 9.98.8 मीटर पर सेकंड. जो फाइनल वेलोसिटी हमारे पास आ गई वो है 98.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर पर सेकंड. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 98.8 मीटर पर सेकंड.